Back at Shelley Beach, unbelievably, no tractor. We have to push through the shore break. Luckily we got some ice to help us. Shite.
Okay, so we're time traveling back a few decades. When I was a kid, we used to launch like this. We had a big ugly old Land Cruiser. We used to wet launch our boats, so chuck them right into the shore break. But we ain't going to be doing that with Digby's nice new 4x4. So we're just going to chuck the boats onto the deck here. Luckily these guys are here to help us, and we're just going to push and turn this boat around. Right, let's rejoin the launch.
Yes, give it to it. Yes. Come, Digby, guys, Digby. Go. Wait. Make it straight, guys, keep it straight. Go. Go, Bululani. You guys, you're legends, eh? Absolute legends. Bululani, grab your life jackets.
Alright, cool. Now we have made it out to the middle break here, the holding area where Digby is going to take us out through the swells gently and safely. In fact, there's two swells today, one from the north and one from the south, and they kind of converge in the middle and make things really tricky. Breaks or not breaks, and then we have to wait a long time basically. Patience is definitely a virtue in this particular game. Right, so holding and waiting, keep those motors, or getting those motors nice and warmed up. I've got to do that in this kind of situation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We can bring you more of these videos. We can go fishing more often, put it that way. If you like and subscribe, we can go fishing more. Thank you.
The motors haven't run for a month, eh? Give them a chance to warm up. Get closer. Easy dub, man. Never even got wet.